Hey guys, welcome back to Human Condition. This video is another video in our biology series. This video is what is pheromones. It should be a pretty interesting one. Pheromones, idea that our bodies give off natural cologne basically, or odors, which I know sounds kind of gross, that give off signals to other people. So it's kind of like how we naturally as humans communicate non-verbally. So it's pretty interesting. So this is kind of like how you talk to people non-verbally and the vibes you give off, sort of. When you see a person, you're like, this person gives off a ton of good vibes. I don't know why, but I really want to hang out with this person. That's kind of like a pheromones. Like they're giving off those good vibes. So in this video, there's 5 main pheromones we'll talk about. They're all produced by 2 main hormones, testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone is the main masculine hormone besides these pheromones, and then estrogen, the main woman hormone. So yeah, first 3 are for testosterone. That is andros. It's very hard to pronounce these words. Steadion, and that's how you pronounce it. And this is the main testosterone pheromone that guys give off. The coolest thing about pheromones is they're directly linked to testosterone. So in testosterone, the higher testosterone you have, the more of this natural pheromone you give off. And this natural pheromone, apparently this is kind of crazy, I didn't know this, gives off women the mood, feel better and more attracted based off the high levels of pheromones. And not just attracted, but just feel good in general, like a good feeling. So if you have high testosterone, which if you can still do this obviously you don't have high testosterone, but if you had high testosterone, you can almost do that naturally, and you can always increase this, but you can always do that naturally and give off good vibes and attraction because of the high testosterone. Your body will produce more pheromones called androstenedione. Also, if you naturally increase your testosterone, it can actually change physical attributes like that make you also attractive, like obviously bigger muscles and facial features sometimes as well, which is pretty cool. But obviously all people are attractive. One is androstenedione. Androstenedione is the guy chemical that's, it said when I was researching, it smells bad, it doesn't smell good, and it does not attract anyone, and does not make people feel good usually. It actually does the opposite. Androstenedione is the strongest attractant towards women, apparently when I was researching, but androstenedione makes other guys very angry. So it's a risky pheromone, because if you give off androstenedione, you have a higher chance of attracting women, but you also make other broskies angry at you. So the question is it worth it to make other broskies mad at you? If you have high levels of androstenedione, theoretically you're at the highest level of attracting. The pheromone for some reason might make other guys naturally mad at you. And that's also linked to high testosterone. The third one is androstenol, and this is like the chill vibe guy who's just like friendly, who wants to get along with everyone. This also increases attraction as well, if you're a guy, to women, but and it's the chill hormone, it's the least risky, and it's like the chill guy who just gets along with everyone, pheromone, and it gives off a vibe of being approachable, likable, and it makes the broskies and the women feel good around you. So that's the best pheromone to give off. So in conclusion with the guy pheromones, the first 3 testosterone-based pheromones, you have androstenedione, I think, and that's like the natural broski pheromone guys give off. Higher levels of this can theoretically have higher attraction and make women feel good. Second one, androstenedione, has very high levels of attraction but also can make other dudes mad at you. And then and it's not might not be purposefully, like sometimes your moods can change it, but if you're feeling like angry in an angry mood, you might produce more androstenedione. And it sometimes can backfire. And the third one is androstenol, and that's when you're in a happy mood and you'll probably give off chill vibes and make everyone happy. So that's probably the best one. Then the two other ones for women are copious estradiol, which is the main estrogen pheromone. So this is the guy version of androstenedione, the main guy one. And this one is high levels of estrogen. A woman wouldn't produce this, and it also does the same thing. It makes broskies feel good when they're hanging out with this girl that produces this, and high levels of attraction. You got copious. This is only produced. Also, copious is only produced during ovulation, and it's the natural highest attraction pheromone. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. So raises a guy's testosterone a ton. It's pretty tough. Pretty tense. So yeah. In conclusion, pheromones are pretty cool. They're based off hormones of testosterone and estrogen. The two main for women is estranol and copious. Copious is produced during ovulation. It increases guys' testosterone, making them highly attracted to the girl during this time. Is the naturally one. It also makes dudes feel good. The higher levels a woman might have and attracted, vice versa. And talking about when the guy's pheromones, androstenedione is the guy pheromone, the natural one. Higher levels of this make a girl feel good and attracted to the guy. Androstenedione is similar to copious. It can highly attract women. However, it also makes other broskies angry because it probably does that basically. And it's also sometimes it also is a repellent to women, depending, but usually it does that. And a guy, I think, produces it based off mood. So if they're angry or feeling threatened or dominant, they give off that pheromone. And finally, androstenol, a calm pheromone that's usually given off by guys but can be given off by girls. That is like an icebreaker and boosts the moods of guys and girls just to feel good. So yeah, in conclusion, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.